In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to extrude text. You can extrude your text in two different ways. You can have it cut into your project, or you can have it sticking out of your project. Okay? To do this, if you have your sketch still open, you're just going to have to start by clicking your green check mark. If not, then great, you're one step ahead. So I'm going to click my green check mark, make sure that I've saved this. I'm going to rotate my object to an isometric view. So I'm going to click the lower right-hand corner of my view orientation cube. Currently, I'm in the top view, so I need to make sure that I'm in that view. Or what I can select is I can select a isometric, dimetric, or trimetric. We really just want to turn this so that it's more of a three-dimensional view so that we can see what we're doing a little bit better. From here, what we want to do is we want to select extrude. Now I could select the project itself or the sketch that I have and click extrude, but it's going to, and it may select everything automatically, okay? Changing its depth to the preset or the standard setting of 1 inch. If you select extrude first, then you may have to come in and either select the entire sketch, or you may have to go zoom way in and select inside each individual feature or each individual letter. If you're using this path, make sure that you're zooming way in and selecting everything that you want, because if you select out, it may select the entire piece. Easy to fix. We can come over to our faces and we can delete or get rid of whatever faces we would like. Okay. Oops. There I made my mistake. That's okay. The other thing I can do, and the easiest way to do this, is to just select your sketch as a whole. We can select it on our image, or we can select it in the tree itself. If I select my entire feature, it should pop through. If it does not select some of your features, you may need to go in and edit your text to be a different font, because some of those entities, some of them may have openings. They might have a hole in part of the letter that is invisible to us, but the program can zoom in far enough to see that. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my depth. I'm going to leave the end condition blind. I'm going to change the depth to a 1/16 of an inch. Hit enter. And we've extruded our feature. Remember, this is an add, so our letters are popping out. If you would prefer yours to be a remove, you just click remove, and it should cut them down in. This is a simple change that can be changed at any time, and it can be changed to your preference. So here we can see the cut. If we want to change this to a cut or remove, if we want to change this to an add, we just double click our extrude, and we click add. It may point the arrow down in the wrong direction, so I'm going to just flip this over to the opposite direction so that it's pointing upwards out of our object. Click my green check mark, and we're good to go. Once you've completed this, please make sure that you turn in the assignment and complete any reflection assignment forms that coincide with your Keychain project.